good morning or afternoon, whenever you're watching this, maybe the evening. Let's go over week 2 of Hexter 6 of physics. Start off with just a little flow chart that eventually you will get very familiar with: work, energy, and power. And you'll be able to copy this flow chart. Next week we'll get after that. For the discussion post, it's an observational discussion post where you're going to be studying a picture for 60 seconds, then scroll down and try to answer the questions. No sense answering them or looking at the questions first. That doesn't help. It's just see if your observational skills are being honed, another word for improving. Then we have what is energy reading, and at the bottom of this reading, I have the questions that you'll be responsible for answering on the quiz. These are not interactive yet, but this is called purposeful reading. If you take a look at the questions, then you do the reading. They're almost in order. You'll have no problem getting a great score on the What is Energy quiz that follows right here. Okay. Then there's just a little Energy for the People video, a little video assessment, asking a few questions about the video. You should have no trouble handling that. And then there's a final video on power, work, and energy. Okay. And there's also a few questions on that for an assignment. So make sure you turn those in. Zeros are not good. All right. So have a great week, and I'll see you then or whenever.